Josh here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can redirect one of your domains using Cloudflare. So first off, just navigate to your domain DNS record. Once there, you might have to delete anything that's there. If so, then just clear up those records. We'll give you a fail-safe, so just type in that, delete and confirm. Okay, so we're going to need to add two records. They're A records. One is at the root, so we're going to use the @ symbol, so Shift and 2 brings up @ so it shows you up there. If I take that away, it goes away, it's there, and then points to IP address, so here it is. We're just going to type it in here. Alright, so 192.0.2.1, and we're going to keep that proxied, and we're going to need to use that again, so we're just going to copy that, save, and then add a new record. This one's just going to be a www, and again at that 192.0.2.1, and keep that proxied. Okay, so we've set our A records. So basically what I'm doing here is all the traffic that goes to this website is going to be redirected to my other domain where I host my page. So then we want to go down to rules and redirect rules, and we're just going to create that rule, and we're just going to scroll down, and rule name, forward to the domain name that you're wanting to forward it to. Now I'm doing all incoming requests, but you can filter or you can have a wildcard pattern. So next I got to change this to dynamic, and so I got to put in expression here. So the expression that I need from the Cloudflare documentation is this one here, the concat bracket, my domain name that I'm redirecting it to, and then this request code here, http://request.uri.path close bracket. Okay, so I just need to copy that, go back over to my record, put that in there. Code is 301, so that's a permanent code. I want this permanent, preserve that string, and deploy. Deploy, yay! And now we should be able to test this. So here I'm going to put in this domain, and just going to see if it redirects me. Yep, so it redirects me. So let's see that again. The monster app, and it should go to marketing monster app. There we go, marketing monster app it is. So that's how you can use redirect rules to forward one domain to another using Cloudflare. Hope that was helpful. Have a great day.